In this video, I'll show you how you can put TikTok videos in slow motion in 2021 on your iPhone or Android device. If you want to open TikTok, go to the video, then copy the link from that video. Next up, you want to go to your browser and go to snaptik.app, which is right here. So you want to paste the link in here to download this TikTok video. If you know any other TikTok video downloaders, you can also use those. Click on the green button right there, wait for this bar to load and to be at 100, there we go. Then click on download server and you can download the video. Step number 2 is going to easy GIF. Next up, you want to select video to GIF, and then all you need to do is select video speed right there. If you click on that, you can then click on choose file. And you can see where this is going, right? You simply want to choose the file, which is that one, click select, and then all you need to do is change the speed to 0.5. Let's see where I can actually do that. Speed up slash slow down. So what you need to do is click upload video in the first place, and then after that you can choose 0.5 right there. Click change video speed, and there you go. You've just put a TikTok video in slow-mo. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and there we go, there it is. So this one is 27 seconds and this one is like 13, so it actually works. If this video helps you out, leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you next time.